Okay, these are pepper plants. These are some of my smaller ones. These are Caribbean red habaneros. Over here I've got porch tomatoes. There's 5 of those. Well, there's 4 there. I got a 5th one elsewhere. Here I've got Sweet 100 cherry tomato plants that almost died, but they're coming back. So we'll see how they do. Some of them actually got topped, or the top part died, and they sprang some suckers from the bottom, so the plants survived. But we'll see if they're able to be productive. That ugly thing there is a mugwort plant, which is an herb. Here I've got some more of my smaller ones. These are daytil peppers. Got my eggplants. There's my other porch tomato. And over here I've got, these are yellow squash, green beans, pickling cucumbers, cayenne peppers, and like a salad cucumber. An unknown volunteer pepper plant. Got another one of those at the other end of the garden. This is my tomato bed, which the tomatoes are just going nuts. I've got 2 Bloody Butcher tomato plants, 1 Ace 55 in that first row. The second row, which kind of blends into everything, is Fresh Salsa, 2 plants, 1 here and 1 there. And then here I've got, well, underneath those, you can barely see it. If I go down under here, got African basil. I don't know how well it'll do with that much coverage over top of it, but we'll see. And I've got marigolds down here in the front to help draw beneficial insects in. Let's see, then I've got 2 Early Girl bush tomato plants, and then I've got 3 Brandywine Pink on the end here. It'll be 1, 2, 3. Then continuing with peppers down here, I've got, that's a ahi lemon drop. There's actually 2 plants there, but I didn't want to risk killing them trying to get them apart, because those are the only 2 that I've got, so I left them. And then I've got Thai super chili and another Thai super chili that almost died, but it looks like it might make it, so I'm giving it a chance. Then over here, up in the flower bed, I've got Thai basil. Then I've got habanada, which is a heatless habanero pepper. I've got bell pepper plant, orange habanero, another orange habanero. Then I've got 3 nata penos, which are heatless jalapeno plants. 1, 2, 3. Then I've got 2 fish pepper plants, 1, 2, and 2 prick chifa, which is a Thai chili plant. The next 2 plants, 1, 2, are red ghost. And then these last 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are Aleppo, which is a Middle Eastern pepper. Then up here, I've got 2 pepperoncini plants that I overwintered. The one on the right, even though if I show it from here, it looks like it's dead, it's actually doing quite well, just only at the top. Other one's got flowers on it, probably have peppers pretty soon. Then down here, I planted like 6 of these, but I only got 3 that made it this far. These are Carolina Reapers, so hopefully those will do good. I'm going to go to the middle of my transplanting area here where I've got 3. These are unknown peppers that the tags that I was using did not weather very well, and I could not read the tags on these, so I think they might be Cubanelles, but hard to tell. They've got white flowers and pretty standard looking leaves. So the density of the foliage and relative growth patterns, the only thing I really have to go on. I'll have to wait to see what the peppers look like. There is one pepper on this one, but it looks more like a pepperoncini at the moment than it does anything else, and I know that can't be a pepperoncini because I didn't plant any new ones this year. I just have the two I overwintered. Then here I've got Matapena plants, 3. I've got 2, I think those are poblanos, yes, in the back. That would be that one and that one. And then this up here is an overwintered bell pepper plant. This next row has a what I believe to be a sriracha. These two might be switched. I just have to wait and see what the peppers look like when they show up, and I should be able to tell those apart. And then I have Cubanelles there, those 2 plants. The next row is all Royal Black Variegated, which is an ornamental pepper, but we'll see how they taste because I'm not going to pass up the chance to check that out. The next row here is Naga Smoky Rainbow, which is a cross between a Naga Morich and I guess a Smoky Rainbow, but they're supposed to have a lot of different colored peppers at the same time, as are the Royal Black, the ones next to it. Then this row is 3 Marconi Red. Those plants should get pretty large. Then I've got 1 Lonely Big Jim pepper there. It's a New Mex type. And then I've got Thunder Mountain Longhorn in the next row. And then this row here with 2 in it is, what is that? I'll have to look at the tag. Douglas crossed with Pink Tiger. That should be another pretty hot pepper. And then this is, I'm going to forget the name. It's from South America. I don't remember the name of it at the moment. But that's that. And wife almost tripped. And let's see, is there anything else? I think that covers the whole garden. Other than I've got a few tomato cuttings that I've started in pots, and some rosemary in the back of the summer sun porch building right there, and then that's it.